Here are 8 ways on how to get a man obsessed with you in a healthy way. Number 1 would be confident and authentic. Confidence is attractive, so be yourself and show confidence in who you are. Authenticity builds trust and makes you more appealing. Number 2, when he starts to share about his life, ask him questions about interests, listen actively, and show genuine curiosity about his life. This helps build emotional connection and just show that you care. Number 3, be supportive. Support his goals and aspirations. Encourage him in his endeavors and be there for him during challenges. Being a supportive partner creates a strong bond. Number 4, maintain independence. While it's important to be supportive, maintain your own interest and independence. This helps you to stay a challenge and making him wanting more of you every day. Number 5, communicate effectively. And I don't mean sending him essays. Be quite direct in expressing yourself and make sure that you do sound logical. Sometimes even communicating through boundaries is actually the most effective way with a guy that gains the most respect from his side. Number 6, when he is playful and flirtatious with you, be flirtatious and playful back. Playful teasing and flirting and a bit of banter will keep the spark alive and will make you desire to him and him desire to you. Number 7, be positive and upbeat. A positive attitude is infectious. Maintain a positive outlook on life and be someone he enjoys being around. And here comes the number 8. Respect his space. Allow him space to pursue his interests and spend time with friends and family. Trust and respect are essential to a healthy relationship. Ladies, without respect, there is no love. And a lot of times, guys start to step back when you stop trusting him and when you start losing respect for him.